Assalamualaikum students, hope you all are fine. Today we will revise the concepts of the chapter that we have studied uh, by doing the exercise on page number 40 of your textbook. The first question is choose the correct answer. What does a life cycle show? Obviously we have studied a life cycle show all the stages of an animal's life. Second, which of the following is not a stage in the life cycle of frog? We know that frog has 3 stages in life cycle: eggs, tadpole and adult frog. Pupa is not included in the life cycle of frog. So pupa is the right answer. That is not a stage of life cycle of frog. Adult butterfly emerges from a butterfly have 4 stages in its life cycle: egg, caterpillar, pupa or chrysalis and adult butterfly. And the adult butterfly comes out from chrysalis or pupa stage. So it is the right answer. Where do the birds build nest? Birds can build nest on cliffs or rocks, walls, trees, ground. So all of them is the right answer. Which type of animal has the stage eggs, fry adult in the life cycle? Obviously the fish has these 3 stages in its life cycle. So fish is the right answer. Now fill in the gaps or blanks using the words given below in the help box. Birds lay eggs in the nest that may be built on the cliffs, walls and trees. Frogs lay eggs in water as they live near pond. Caterpillar turns into the butterflies and tadpoles develop into frogs. Fish eggs first develop into fry before turning into adult fish, and baby birds cannot see or fly and they have no feathers. A frog's eggs are called spawn. Obviously it is right. Birds hatch out of eggs. It's true. Baby birds can see well when they are born. This statement is wrong because baby birds are blind at the time of their birth. Young frogs are called fry. The statement is wrong because young fishes are called fry. Caterpillars hatch out of eggs. The statement is right. Here, label the stages in the life cycle of fish. In the life cycle of fish, 3 stages are included. The first one is the eggs. From the eggs, baby fishes come out that are called fry, and then after growth they change into the adult fish. Today your homework is to solve the question number 4 on the page number 41 of your textbook by yourself. And the question is circle the stage which does not belong to each life cycle. You have studied the life cycle of bird, insect and frog, and you know about the stages in their life cycles, and you have to put out the stage that does not belong to that animal.